Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.7, Problem 7. This is Section 3.7, Problem 7. It says a local farmer has 32 chickens that he allows to roam free range. At the end of a one-year period, the farmer received a total of 6,528 eggs. What is the average number of eggs per year that each chicken lays? So what you have to do is figure out what you have to do with the numbers. Basically, we already have the total given to us, and we have to divide by what ordinarily is how many numbers in the list. What it amounts to here is how many chickens. So with a calculator, we would do the total number of eggs, 6,528, divided by the number of chickens, which is 32. So again, if you have a calculator, just run it through the calculator. That way you'll get the answer, and that'll be it. Now, where we don't have a calculator to use, what we'll do, let me do it where I have a little bit of room. 6,528 will go under the division symbol to do it by hand. And the 32 will go in front of the division symbol. So 32 divides into 6. 6 isn't big enough. It won't go in. 32 goes into 65. That'll work. It'll go in twice. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. So 64. Almost fit perfect. 65 minus 64 is 1. So that's what I get. Bring down the next digit over, which is a 2. 32 divides into 12. Well, 12 is not big enough, so we're going to put in a 0. 0 times 32 is 0. And then 12 minus 0 is 12. So now I go over one more digit to the right in the top number under the division symbol. It's an 8. Bring it down next to the 12. 12 with an 8 next to it is 128. So now 32 times something is going to get me close to 128. I think 4 is going to make it perfectly. Let's try it. 4 times 2 is 8. That's a good sign. 4 times 3 is 12. Very good. 128 minus 128 is 0. It goes in evenly. So however you do the division, either with a calculator or by hand, the answer for the division is 204. So that's the average number of eggs that each chicken will give the farmer per year, on average. So some chickens might give a lot more and others less, but it would average to 204 per chicken.